We're approaching the One Ash Roundabout from the university direction to turn left towards Loughborough A6. On approach to the roundabout, notice the times of operation of the bus lane on the exit. Enter the roundabout and exit into the bus lane if it is not in operation, into the right-hand lane if it is. Check your mirrors, especially for merging traffic, and accelerate to 50 if it's safe to do so. We're approaching the One Ash Roundabout from the university direction to take the road ahead, Leicester A6. This is at the 12 o'clock position and is the third exit. Note the farm at about the 11 o'clock position is the second exit. Enter the roundabout, keeping well to the left-hand lane, and signal left as you pass the farm exit. Check your mirrors and accelerate to 50 miles per hour if it's safe to do so. We're approaching the One Ash Roundabout to turn right towards QUORN. That's the fourth exit. Remember to signal right on approach and take up a position in the right-hand lane as per the road markings. Be sure to hold your position in the center of your lane. Signaling left now. Note that there is only one speed limit reminder of 50 miles per hour on the right-hand side of the road.